How to fix Instagram filter is not working on iPhone. So if you happen to have multiple filters on Instagram, but then those filters are not working on the Instagram app on your iPhone, it's very simple to fix it. First of all, you want to make sure you're connected to a reliable internet connection. Then from there, you want to simply open settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and once you go to iPhone storage, from here you will see all these options. Then what you want to do is simply go to this little option here that says Instagram, and from here what you want to do is try to offload the app, and once you offload the app, you can also try to reinstall the application. Now if this doesn't help, then you can also try to open up your app store, and in the app store you can simply try to search for the Instagram app and check if the app has an update, and if it does, then obviously you want to make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix it. Instagram filters are not working on iPhone. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.